Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to concatenate strings in SQLite queries. Yeah, for that I'm going to use these two table data. So you can see this first result is parent table from parent table, and second values. Um, or from child table, and I'm going to I just want to get the I just want to print the name and the child name with some additional text. So for that I have to use concatenation. So we have no concatenation in SQLite actually. So you can see select concat name comma um, mm, c dot name, sorry, b dot name comma c dot name from parent p join on child child c on p dot id equal to c dot parent id. This is how we will this is how we used to join in queries. Yeah for joining for using join in a query, so it will be a separate video. So I'll post join I'll post a tutorial for joins in a separate video. So now if I enter, so you can see, sorry, join. If you see concatenation, concat is not a function actually. So in SQL Server and MySQL you have a method called concatenation, but in SQLite you don't have any method for concatenating. So for that I'm going to use another way. uh, c dot name is a son of, is a child of, sorry, child of of p dot name actually of text. Simply you can give a sentence. Yeah, so you can see Kelvin is a child of John. You can see Kelvin, so parent ID is 1. Kelvin, Peter, Kim, all these three kids, three children are the uh, parent for these children, or is John actually. Kelvin is a child of John, Peter is a child of John, Kim is a child of John, Robert F is a child of Frederick, Richard is a child of Anna, Lena is a child of Andrea, Mary is a child of Andrea. So yeah, this is how you can use this alternate way for concatenation in SQLite queries. So I hope you can understand how attaching to concatenating to um, um, many columns with um, customizing text like this. Okay, so yeah, if after name of the parent, so you can concatenate vice versa like this. So if you want to put some full stop, so you can see, So leave some space. Sorry. Yeah. So this is how you can concatenate for more than one time. So you can see, yeah. So now it's working properly. So um, yeah, I hope you can understand the concatenation in SQLite. In the next video, I'll come up with a different topic of SQLite database. Thank you so much.